Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your transmission fluid on your 2008 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to first start by going to the drain plug, and the drain plug is on the passenger side. It's right there, and it's a 14 millimeter hex. And you definitely want to loosen this before you drain your oil. Otherwise, you'll be in a pretty bad spot if you can't take the fill plug out. So I'm going to start by loosening the fill plug. Here's a couple things you're going to need to do this job. This is a 14 millimeter hex. This is for the fill plug. The drain plug is a 17 millimeter hex. I use this extension. Your vehicle might be a little bit different than mine because mine's pretty beat up on the underside where the exhaust is. This is where the drain plug is, and it's pretty mangled, the exhaust. So I was able to fit this on with an extension like this. Ratchet right here. You're going to need a pump to pump the oil back into the transmission. Obviously the oil, and probably a couple rags will be okay. And then your oil catch pan, of course. So yeah, that's all the tools needed to do this job, and I hope you guys enjoy. Quite. Alright, the next step is loosening your drain plug, and that's going to be a 17 millimeter hex. Now the exhaust is in the way, so it's going to be kind of difficult to get in there unless you want to modify a tool. However, my crossover pipe is pretty mangled from hitting rocks and stuff, so I think I can get a socket in there and a wrench and clear this. Now I'm going to put some tin foil over the exhaust to keep the oil off it. That way it doesn't smell when I start it and gets warm. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and take that out. Alright, here the socket went in there okay. The exhaust is definitely in the way. I'm gonna see just gently taking this out just to make sure I'm not gonna slip off that, because you don't want to strip it. See, like that just happened. It's definitely close. I might have to get a different extension on this. Alright, I went ahead and loosened it all the way. I was able to use something different to get that loosened up here. I was able to flex the exhaust just enough. And now it's just hand tight, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Alright, now that I have it draining, on the bottom of the drain plug there's a magnet, and you don't want like crazy chunks of metal coming out. Little ones, wish this would focus a little better, but little tiny shavings is normal, just normal wear. So yeah, that doesn't look bad. I wish it would focus better, but it doesn't look bad at all. And actually the oil is pretty clean, but I am at 30,000. I do off-road this, so it was time. Alright, once the majority of the fluid is out, you can go ahead and replace your drain plug once you clean all the metal shavings off. And I didn't find a torque spec for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it up, and as tight as I can get it, not too tight. And just keep an eye on it. If it leaks, know that you might have to tighten it up a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and get that tightened up and we'll start filling it. Alright, now I'm going to start filling it up. Got my filler all connected. Just going to pump fluid into there, and it takes about 3 quarts. We're just going to fill it till it's a slow stream coming out of the fill plug, and then we'll be all done. Alright, so we finally got it. Slow drip is good. Just gonna put the drain plug back in. Or, I'm sorry, fill plug back in. And I didn't find a torque specs on this either, but it wasn't very tight. I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten it up snug. And just keep an eye on leaks. Make sure there's no leaks happening. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Probably gonna do some cool mods here soon to the Jeep. Thanks for watching.